appeal for a catch behind. Oh, yes! He swung one way and then he swung one another. That's wonderful bowling. And Ramanella Gurbas, he got a duck on Friday and he's out for 3 this time. Ireland get the early wicket. Afghanistan wasn't quite off the middle of the bat, that, but it'll go for 4. Bold stroke over the top from Ibrahim Zadran. First boundary for Afghanistan. Well, that's gone straight up in the air. Tector. Another wicket for Ireland. Ibrahim Zadran being positive down the ground, but that positivity has been his downfall. Another miscue. Oh, and there's an appeal for LBW now, and the finger's gone up. Adiar's on a hat-trick. What a start for Ireland.
And that's downtown. Is it going to be out? No, it's 6 runs. 6 runs off the hat-trick ball. I am absolutely certain, Muds, I had no idea.
Oh, you took the words out of my mouth, Hazy.
That's adjacent. Up goes that finger. He's now got his 3rd. He's done a wonderful job, Mark Adiar. Brilliant stuff. He got 2 right at the top and he's come back and he's done the business again. It's cracked away. 4 runs. Fine shot. First up from Rashid Khan.
I tell you what, there's nothing wrong.